Okay, this is a continuation of question 5 from November 2017, grade 10, paper 1. And I've written down here for 5.4 some information that I got from 5.1 to 5.3, and we can pick up where we left off. The question says determine the equation of f. Well, we notice that f is a line, a linear function, and the equation was given to us as f of x equals mx plus c. M stands for the gradient, which we in the United States call the slope, and c stands for the y-intercept, or the value when x is equal to 0. Well, we can see quickly that the c value is equal to 8. So I have f of x is equal to mx plus 8. And I can use my point R, which we found in an earlier section, to find the gradient. The gradient is the change in y over the change in x. You may have seen this written in a variety of ways. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 if you have 2 points. So in this case, we have the 2 points negative 2, 0 and 0, 8. So I can say 8 minus 0 over 0 minus a negative 2. That gives me 8 over 2, which is 4 for our gradient. So our equation for f of x would be 4x plus 8. Okay, use the graphs to determine the values of x for which f of x is equal to g of x. Well, if f of x is equal to g of x, that means the y values are equal. The y values for f and g. So what we're trying to find here is the x values such that the y values are equal. In other words, what are the x values where these graphs cross? Where these graphs intersect? So we can see quickly that the graphs intersect at points R and T, and the x values where that's the case are negative 2 for R and 0 for T.